Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming your Microsoft account country is India and that rewards is active. This matters because Flipkart redemptions are region-locked. Next, check your points balance and note the denomination you need, because denominations map to fixed point costs. Once done, open the Rewards Redeem page, locate the Flipkart gift card option, and prepare the email or mobile number where the gift code will be sent. Move fast, but double-check the account details so the code goes to the right inbox. Now you choose the exact Flipkart denomination. Pick the amount that matches your intended purchase because partial refunds or splits are often impossible. Then enter the email or phone that will receive the digital gift code. Make sure it's accurate and accessible on your phone. After confirming the redemption, watch for the processing notice. Some redemptions deliver instantly, others take a few hours. Save the confirmation email or take a screenshot. This protects you if the code is delayed or misrouted. When you get the Flipkart code, copy it precisely and paste it into Flipkart's gift card or voucher field during checkout. Do not type it manually to avoid errors. Then verify the discounted cart total and complete payment for any remaining balance. If the code fails, check spam or promotions folders and ensure your Microsoft account country matches Flipkart's region. If problems persist, contact Microsoft Rewards support with your redemption confirmation screenshot. They can trace or reissue the code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.